Let's start with one of the most powerful features inside WellnessMateAi, the eStore Builder. This is where you can create a fully functional digital product store, ready to accept payments instantly. Click eStore Builder, and here you can either add a new eStore or manage the ones you've already created. To create a new store, click Create New eStore. Enter your store name and your preferred store URL. The system will automatically check if the URL is available. Once it's confirmed, choose a template and click Create eStore. Inside your eStore dashboard, you'll find several menus. Products to add or manage your digital items. Landing page to edit your sales page. Branding to customize your store's colors and logo. Customers where you can view your buyers, revenue, and export emails. Legal pages, reviews, and SEO settings to optimize your eStore for Google rankings. Now let's add your first digital product. With WellnessMateAi, adding products is extremely easy thanks to the content creation features built in. I'll show you later how to generate digital products from scratch using these tools. For now, click Auto Import to bring your digital products into the store. Select the product you want to import and click Import Products. Your product is now added. You can edit it further, such as uploading a product image. Click Choose File, upload your image, wait a moment, and it's done. Update the delivery URL, click Save Changes, and repeat the same process for all other products you want to sell. Next, let's move to the landing page menu. Here, you can fully customize your eStore's landing page with ease. Click Landing Page Editor. You can fill each section manually, or you can let AI write your entire sales copy automatically. Click AI Generate, and within seconds, every section of your landing page will be filled for you, saving you time while still giving you total control to edit anything afterward. Click Save Changes when you're done. Now open the Branding tab. Here you can change your color scheme and upload your logo. Click Save Branding to apply the updates. In the Customers menu, you'll see all your buyers, total orders, and revenue. You can even export customer emails with one click. Legal pages are auto-generated by AI, so you don't need to create them manually. Reviews lets you view feedback from your digital product buyers. And under SEO settings, you can optimize your eStore to improve your chances of ranking on Google and attracting free buyers. Before previewing your store, you'll need to configure payments. If you don't know how to connect PayPal, you can watch the tutorials in the Tutorials menu. To integrate PayPal, go to Settings, enter your PayPal client ID and secret, enable PayPal payments, and click Save Payment Settings. Once that's done, you can open your eStore and see that it's fully built. Professional, clean, and ready to accept orders for your digital products. Let's try creating another eStore using a different template. Follow the same steps. And you'll instantly have another beautiful store with high-converting sales copy already prepared for you. Let's try creating another eStore using a different template. Follow the same steps. Now let me show you how to create digital products using WellnessMateAi quickly and effortlessly. We'll start with diet plans. Click Diet Plans, choose your diet type, duration, add any additional information if needed, and click Generate Diet Plan. Within seconds, your diet plan is ready. You can download it as a PDF or docx if you want to edit it further. Next is the Recipes feature. Here, you can generate recipes instantly. Just enter the recipe name, choose the cuisine type, dietary type, and servings. Add any extra requirements, and click Generate Recipe. In a moment, you'll get a professional, high-quality recipe ready to use as a digital product. Another powerful feature is AI prompts. You can create prompt bundles easily by choosing a prompt template, filling in the placeholders, and clicking Generate Prompt. Within seconds, you'll have a polished, ready-to-use AI prompt you can use yourself or sell as a prompt bundle. Now let's continue with the video script feature. Here, you can create high-quality video script digital products, perfect for your own content or to sell as ready-made digital assets. It's very simple to use. Click Video Script, enter your video topic, choose the platform, select the tone, set the duration, and click Generate Script. Within seconds, you'll receive a professionally written video script, complete with a clear timeline. Next, let's move to the marketing feature. This is where you can create a variety of marketing materials. For example, let's generate an email newsletter. Choose Email Newsletter as the content type, enter your topic, specify your target audience, and click Generate Content. In just a few seconds, you'll have a polished, ready-to-use email newsletter. Now let's explore another powerful feature, eBooks. With this tool, you can create professional digital eBooks quickly and easily. All you need to do is enter your ebook idea, choose a writing tone, select the number of chapters, and add any additional notes if needed. Once you're ready, click Generate eBook. Within moments, your high-quality, fully structured ebook is generated based on your settings. You can download the DOCX version for further editing, or download the finished version as a PDF. These are the powerful features inside WellnessMateAi that help you earn online without any complicated work or advanced skills. You can build a professional website with just a few clicks and create high-quality digital products instantly, so you can start making money online faster and easier than ever.